remember that first day on the riverbank, the sun dipping low, and you too shy to hold my gaze.
But love, it had already begun to flow like this river, eternal.
I remember the first time our eyes met. You turned away, the sun caught your silhouette. Your shy smile said 1,000 things.
My heart was pounding, my soul took wing. I stepped close and time stood still. Two hearts beat strong, and they always will.
Through the storm and the fire, you were beside me still. When my back was against the wall, you gave me the will. We built our dreams on rocky ground. Still our love keep rolling like a river sound. You lift me higher every time I fall.
You believed in me through it all.
Now years gone by, but the flames still rise. Your laughter, your tears, they light my skies.
We've known struggle but never defeat.
Your strength, my love, make life complete. From
Kingston town to Montego shore, our love keep growing more and more.
oh yeah.